Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
Can we trade our spider for the porcupine? I think it'd be a lot happier if we could do that. Anyway, I know there's some happy folks at the Clamoya Casino this midday because it is a gorgeous day. We actually are seeing a few clouds popping up this midday, just some fair weather cumulus clouds that unfortunately in all likelihood won't produce any rainfall. It's 73 degrees this midday near Chiloquin from the Clamoya Casino. We are firmly in the 70s over on the east side, mid 70s for west side valleys, and we're at 54 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. So for today, we're going to have another gorgeous day, just a few more clouds, mainly in Siskiyou County. We're also seeing some more clouds over on the east side, and we'll see some clouds there along the coast because of the marine layer. Temperatures today almost identical to what we observed for yesterday, mid 80s over on the east side, near 90 degrees for west side valleys, and pretty close to 70 degrees there along the coast and Brookings. And then overnight, we're not going to have any wind gusts. We're not going to have any clouds inland. We will have some clouds and some fog there along the southern Oregon coastline once again because of the marine layer. But inland, I've already said this, clear and mild, just like we've been for the past couple of nights. Near 50 degrees over on the east side, near 60 degrees in some spots over west side valleys, and just a little bit above 50 degrees there along the coast in Brookings. All right, Saturday is going to look a lot different, and Stormcast is really going to paint that picture. You can see some of those clouds starting to increase by the time we get into the afternoon and into the evening. That's around the peak of daytime heating, so that's when we could see some showers and thunderstorms popping up over on the east side, and you'll see a little bit later in the day some of them could get down into the Cascades and into our west side valleys as well. We're not ruling out rain anywhere in the Newswatch 12 viewing area, but it looks like it's going to be a corridor from about Christmas Valley to Chiloquin down to the Montague and Wairika area is probably where we'll see the best chances for some showers and for some thunderstorms. By the time the sun goes down, those showers and thunderstorms will lose their fuel, will be dry going into Sunday, but we're expecting more widespread showers and thunderstorms for Sunday. For Saturday, there's actually a low and severe weather risk, mainly up in northern Klamath County and up towards Christmas Valley and Lake County. The main threats with this would be the threat for some small hail and for some gusty winds, but what we're really concerned about is the abundance of lightning, and that could happen anywhere you see this light green shading. So with that in mind, with the elevated fire danger in mind, just know that if you're going up to the Cascades to celebrate the 4th of July, a campfire probably isn't the way to go. I know it's probably going to be tempting just given, of course, campfires and camping go hand in hand, but of course you just got to be aware of the fire situation that we're in for this weekend. You just have to take one for the team. Things are going to be a little bit cooler this weekend, and part of that is because we'll get some rain-cooled air. We have a cooler air mass that's going to filter into the area. It looks like we'll be drier for Monday than what we're going to be for Saturday and for Sunday, but we're not completely ruling out rain for Monday. Looks like some of that will linger into Tuesday and Wednesday. So that will directly impact Boomfest potentially. That kicks off at 7 p.m. at the Jackson County Fairgrounds. Maybe we could have a shower or two, but I think most likely that'll go off without a hitch. So here is your 7-day forecast along the coast. We see that very slight chance for showers on Saturday, definitely increasing in coverage by the time we get to Sunday. And then for Siskiyou County, we are tracking that potential for lightning on Saturday, Sunday, not so much for Monday, but also into Tuesday. So I've repeated this line time and time again, but I'll say it again. The Storm Watch 12 weather team watching all of that very closely in regards to fire danger, because we know those fuels are getting dangerously dry in Siskiyou County, also in Klamath and Lake counties as well. Up in the Cascades, we've already kind of touched on some of the shower and thunderstorm chances we'll have over the weekend. Again, this weekend, it's not going to be a washout by any stretch, but it's just not going to be as dry and sunny as the weather we've had over the past couple of weeks, which is a little unfortunate, although it is actually very fortunate that we're getting any rain at all.
Do we think it's going to be enough rain, enough of a chance of showers this weekend to make an impact on our drought monitor in the coming weeks?
It's a tough call. If we get some of these showers and thunderstorms to develop rather rapidly and, drop maybe an inch of rain somewhere, that would be great. I'm not sure if we're going to see any widespread, noticeable improvements on the drought monitor update. But as Justin Bieber once said, never say never.
Okay. Thank you so much, Josh.
You're welcome.